Roxy, leave it. Blue. This little guy we found. The dogs found it. And they're being so cool. So this is our first experience like that up close. Roxy, please don't hurt. Roxy, leave it. Good girl. Blue, stop eating that grass. Come on, let's go. This is our secret free dog hiking trails. We got a lot of privacy back here. It's really close to the house. And if you walk through this woods right there, there's an opening and trails that go to a wildflower like sanctuary. You can't see it, all this is kind of covered, but this trail, if I take a left turn, there might be about 20 acres of wildflowers out there. We kind of respect it because it's someone's property. It's really beautiful, so we only sneak out there once in a while. But this is kind of the trail that runs next to a creek. So this is where we do a lot of water retrieval, and they can just run the creek and be just dogs. See if we can find some water. There's water just to the right of us. There's a little creek down there. We'll find an opening here in a second. Do some retrieval. Good girl. Yes. Good girl, Rox. Good girl. Oh, there's a big old bird over there. I'm proud of them that they seen that little baby bird. I think it's a blue jay. Just sitting there by itself. And the dogs walk up on it and they sniff it. I had no idea that they would be that kind of cool. I think they were pretty respectful. I'm proud of them. Uh-oh. So now we're trying to figure out how to get down to that water. We got to find an opening that's good for them. Blue's trying to find one too. She knows, oh yeah, there's a little riverbed down there too. So they can play. Boo boo! Water? Come on, rocks. Come on. There we go. Come on. Rocks. Roxy. There they come. They found another way up. Here comes Rox. Did she bring her ball? Yep, she brought her ball. Good for you, girl. Here you go. Release. Release. Ready. Oh, that's not even her ball. Look, that's a different ball. The ball is next to her feet down there. Okay, she found one somewhere. Blue, fetch. Go get your ball. Blue, get it. Get your ball. There, see, Roxy gets it. She's got the other ball. Don't know where she found that one. Rox, release. Rox. Good girl. Ready, ready. Oh, she jumped all the way down that hill. She loves retrieving more than Blue. She'll come back with the ball every time. See? She's obsessed. Here she comes. You ready? Go! Ready, ready, go! Man, she just jumped 6 feet down. If you can only jump off the dock like that, go get it. Oh, she got it. See? Rox brings it back every time. Oh, she just threw it in the air and caught it at the same time. Here. Ready, ready. Watch her jump down. Ready, ready. Go. Go. Ah, pretty good. And there she brings it back. She loves doing that. Wait. She'll go forever and ever. Yeah. Oh. Ready, ready. Go. Go. Oh, they lost it. Blue, fetch. Go. Blue, blue, go. Oh, Roxy's walking right by that other one. Oh, Roxy, I wish you'd go get that one. Oh, she's going in the water where the other one was. Fetch, Roxy. Go get it. Fetch. Rox. Rox, go. Maybe I throw a stick down there. Roxy, come on. Get the ball. Roxy, go get the ball. Not the stick. Get the ball. Oh my God, she's bringing a stick though. Good girl. And she just drops it right there. All right, let's go hiking. Hike. 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 Come on. when Roxy had long hair, we would come out to places like this, and she would get the little burrs or the thistles or whatever. I mean, by the thousands. So her short coat's really better in places like this. All right, I hear some crazy birds. Probably some blue herons. Oh, there's some people. Howdy.